Hello students, today we will discuss the topics of the history of the penicillin and the nomenclature of the penicillin. So first we will discuss the history of the penicillin. In the year of the 1928, Alexander Fleming accidentally found that bacterial colonies' growth is inhibited by the coexistence of the fungal strains or their colonies. Alexander concluded that the important substance extracted by the fungus strain will be clinically beneficial. After a study, Alexander discovered the antibiotics called penicillin. तो फर्स्ट इन द ईयर ऑफ द 1928 फ्लेमिंग नाम का एक साइंटिस्ट, जिसे हम पेंसिलिन का पितामह भी कहते हैं, उसने एक फंगल स्ट्रेन के थ्रू जो है बैक्टीरियल की ग्रोथ को रोका था। जो ये फंगस स्ट्रेन है वो क्लिनिकली बेनिफिशियली हुई, जिसको पेंसिलिन के नाम से जो है डिस्कवर किया गया। Next, in the year of the 1930, Florey and the co-workers, they isolate a compound by the help of the freeze-drying process from the fungus strain and named it penicillin, and that has an antibiotic effect. Then 1938 में फ्लोरी एंड co-workers, जिसने फंगस स्ट्रेन को जो है वो आइसोलेट किया था थ्रू दी फ्रीज ड्राइंग मेथड, जो एक पेंसिलिन के नाम से जाना गया, और उसका जो इफ़ेक्ट आया वो एक एंटीबायोटिक का इफ़ेक्ट जो हुआ। नेक्स्ट, इन द ईयर ऑफ द 1945, डी हॉडकिंस वाज द इल्यूसिडेट द केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द पेंसिलिन। फिर 1945 में एक डी हॉडकिन के नाम का साइंटिस्ट आया, जिसने पेंसिलिन की केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर जो है इल्यूसिडेट किया। नेक्स्ट, इन 1957, scientist called Sheehan developed a synthetic route for the production of the penicillin. फिर 1957 में एक साइंटिस्ट आया शीनन के नाम से, जिसने सिंथेटिक रूट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन की पेंसिलिन की जो वो डिस्कस की। नेक्स्ट, 1958, Beacon isolates 6 amino penicillinic acid to use as a intermediate for semi-synthetic penicillin derivative. फिर 1958 में बीकन नाम का एक साइंटिस्ट आया, जिसने 6 अमाइनो पेंसिलिनिक एसिड को सेमी सिंथेटिक पेंसिलिन डेरिवेटिव्स में चेंज किया। नेक्स्ट, इन 1959, a group of the British scientists reported the isolation of the 6 amino penicillinic acid from a culture of the Paracyrosynum. This compounds converted penicillins by the acylation of the 6 amino groups. फिर 1959 में एक ग्रुप आया ब्रिटिश साइंटिस्ट का, जिसने 6 अमाइनो पेंसिलिनिक एसिड जो है आइसोलेट किया थ्रू द कल्चर ऑफ द पैराकायरोजिनम। फिर इसे पेंसिलिन में कन्वर्टेड किया थ्रू द एसाइलेशन ऑफ द 6 अमाइनो ग्रुप। Next, in the year of the 1971, Sheehan and the Ferris provide another route of the synthetic penicillin by the converting a natural penicillin such as a penicillin G potassium. फिर 1971 में शीनन एंड फेरिस ने जो है एक और नेचुरल पेंसिलिन की जो है वो डिस्कवरी की, जिसे हम पेंसिलिन जी नाम से भी जानते हैं। नेक्स्ट, वी विल डिस्कस द पेंसिलिन नोमेनक्लेचर. There is a two types of the nomenclature system. First is the chemical abstract system, that is CAS, United States Pharmacopoeia system, that is USPS. First we will discuss the chemical abstract system. Initiate the numbering with the sulfur atom and assign the ring nitrogen the 4th position. As you show that there is a basic ring of the penicillin, and the numbering starting from the sulfur and gives the number of the 1 and the nitrogen at the 4th position. So there is the IUPAC name is 4-thia 1 as a bicyclic heptanes. Bicyclic means two rings are fused together, that is the bicyclic ring. Next, in USP, United States Pharmacopoeia system, it is the reverse of the CAS procedure. Assign number 1 to the nitrogen atom and the number 4 to the sulfur atom. In this system, numbering is starting from the nitrogen and sulfur at the position of the 4th. there is a at the sixth position amino carbonyl group is present. So IUPAC name of this penicillin is the 6-acyl amino 1-thia 4-azapinum 3-carboxylic acid. Next is the penicillin stereochemistry. Penicillin is combined with the highly unstable bicyclic system. Four-membered beta-lactam ring is fused with the five-membered thiazolidine. As the picture shows that there is a four-membered ring that is called beta-lactam ring. This ring is fused with the five-membered ring that is the thiazolidine ring. Second point is the penicillin molecule is contain three chiral atom C3, 6, 5 and C6. So what is the chiral carbon atom? A molecule or the ion is called chiral if it is not it cannot be superimposed or its mirror image by any combination of the rotation and the translation. Some absolute configuration about all the three center its may be naturally occurring and microbiologically active synthetic and semi-synthetic penicillins. The carbon atom bearing the acyl carbon group at the 6x has the L configuration. L configuration means the levorotatory, where the left side rotation, whereas the carbon to which has the carboxyl group is attached has the D configuration. D configuration means right hand side rotation. The acyl amino and the carboxyl group are trans to each other, which is relatively to the pinum ring. Acyl carbon and the carboxyl are trans to each other, which is relative to the pinum ring. In this ring, the carboxyl group and the acyl amino groups are trans to each other. The absolute stereochemistry of the penicillin is designated 3s, 5r, 6r as shown in the picture. Thank you.